We set the Relumino outline to adaptive black, white, or green on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge, or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now, from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then we tap on vision enhancements. Then scroll down and tap on Relumino outline. Tap on the left hand side panel. Then we scroll down and select adaptive, black, white, or green. So this is what it looks like in green, Relumino outline. Okay, so we're going to change it, vision enhancements, and Relumino outline, and we change it back to adaptive. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.